Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to have the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, so for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, okay, and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing all these assets, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis and of course the trading tools I will be using. Okay, so if you are not joining us live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend milker trade indicator to do my analysis, and I'm on 5-minute time frame. This had been on a very strong uptrend. You can see it started from here, and of course from this support zone it started buying and buying. You can see the yellow flag. We've got more yellow flags than the red flag, so which means the market is on uptrend, majorly on uptrend. So if you're not good at spikes trading, stay away from the market, okay, because the market is favorable for spikes trading at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, so more of a buying opportunity, guys. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend from this resistance zone before, because it was unable to go further. It gave us a downtrend signal around there, and of course some sell signals around there, which I believe we have been following, most especially those that are having this trading tool. Okay, so right from this support zone it was unable to go further, and of course it's brought this downtrend to an end around there and started a buy trend around here. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1k. Okay, 1000. Crash 1000 had been on a very strong downtrend right from this resistance zone. It had been selling and selling and selling around this support zone, but it's still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. If it breaks out below this, to keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend, so we should take note of that. Okay, but for now this is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right here. Crash 500 actually started an uptrend right from here. You can see the market had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, it had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone and may likely sell till it gets to this trend line, even if it's going to go back up to try out the resistance zone again. But if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right here. Volatility 75 started an uptrend from here, came to an end around there, and it has started a downtrend right now, and of course it is selling at the moment. Okay, for those of you on the Telegram channel, I posted these also and other assets, and of course we made a lot of profits on these. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.